Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Kubernetes Dashboard login problems, token access errors step by step clearly. To fix Kubernetes Dashboard login problems related to token access errors, start by checking your Kubernetes cluster status. Use the command kubectl cluster info to verify that your cluster is running correctly. If the cluster is running, the next step is to ensure the Kubernetes dashboard is installed. Run the command kubectl get pods and kubesystem to see if the dashboard pod is active. If the dashboard pod is not running, reinstall the dashboard using kubectl apply fhttp. Once the dashboard is up, check for service accounts by running kubectl get service accounts and kubesystem. You need a service account with the correct permissions to generate a token. If the default service account is insufficient, create a new service account with appropriate access. Apply a role binding to grant the service account the required permissions using kubectl create cluster role binding dashboard admin cluster role equals cluster admin. Now, get the token for your service account using kubectl get secret and kubesystem grep your _service account. Use the name of the secret to retrieve the token, with the command kubectl describe secret your secret name and copy the token and proceed to the Kubernetes dashboard login page. Paste the token into the login field and click on Sign In. If the token is valid and your role bindings are correctly configured, you should gain access to the dashboard. If issues persist, double-check your role bindings and permissions to ensure nothing is missing. Finally, consider reviewing the Kubernetes dashboard documentation for any updates or additional configurations. This should help resolve the token access errors you are experiencing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.